Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through this week's market action. Tariffs dominated the headlines this week after the U.S. introduced and then delayed 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico, though they did implement 10% tariffs on Chinese goods and warned that reciprocal tariffs on other trading partners were coming next week. Tariff uncertainty pressured stocks, though losses were minimal. The Dow fell 0.5% on the week, while the Russell shed 0.3%. The S&P 500 lost about 0.25%, while the Nasdaq closed essentially flat. It was a mixed picture for sectors in the S&P 500. Consumer discretionary was the biggest drag, closing down 3.6% on the week. Communications followed behind, selling off about 2%. Consumer staples rallied 1.5%, and real estate added 1.25%. Turning to the week's biggest stories, Alphabet ended the week 9% lower following disappointing quarterly results. Total revenue rose 15% to $96.5 billion, but that fell short of Wall Street's $96.7 billion estimates. Cloud revenue more than doubled year over year to $12 billion, but that also fell short of expectations. Alphabet said it holds leadership in AI and momentum across the business, and its Google Cloud portfolio is seeing stronger customer demand. Amazon also ended the week lower after beating on both the top and bottom line. AWS cloud revenue rose 19% year over year to $28.8 billion, in line with expectations. The company also noted strength in its holiday shopping season, calling it the most successful yet for Amazon. However, Amazon also offered disappointing guidance for its current period, citing unfavorable headwinds from foreign exchange rates. Palantir continued its monstrous momentum from 2024 with a 34% rally this week. The data analytics company posted a 52% increase in year-over-year U.S. revenue and 64% increase in commercial revenue. Its $803 million in commercial contracts signaled a 134% jump from a year ago, alongside a 43% boost to its customer count. CEO Alex Karp said its earnings deepen Palantir at the center of the AI revolution. Next week's earnings will have more heavy hitters, including McDonald's, BP, Shopify, AppLovin, and Supermicro. Jerome Powell will testify to the Senate Banking Committee for the first time since July. And on the economic calendar, we'll get CPI, PPI, and GDP. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.